Dad, this park is so beautiful.
Yes, Akshat, it is. The weather is perfect today.
Look, Dad, the kids are playing on the swings.
They are having so much fun. Playing outside is good for them.
Dad, am I allowed to play too?
Of course, Akshat. You are always welcome to join in.
Dad, I noticed something. When I said the park is beautiful, I used the word is. But when I talked about myself, I said, am I allowed to play?
That's a great observation, Akshat. Is, am, and are called helping verbs. They help us describe who we are, what we are doing, or what something is like.
Dad, how do we know when to use is, am, and are?
So, is used for one person or thing, am is used with I, and are is used for more than one person or thing.
Can you give me more examples, Dad?
Sure, Akshat. Here are some examples. I am going to school. Rohit is a student. There are 3 cows in the field.
They are eating grass.
In these sentences, am, is, and are tell us what a person or thing does and what a person or thing is. Let's use is, am, and are while we talk about what we see around us.
Okay, Dad, the flowers are so colorful.
Yes, and the sun is shining brightly.
I am feeling very happy today.
I am happy too, Akshat.
Thanks for teaching me about is, am, and are, Dad.
Welcome.